yo, 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 yo. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Drake, and we're back here for another reaction video. Today we're gonna be reacting to 20 epic tornadoes caught on camera. If anybody was affected by the severe weather yesterday, I'm praying for you, and I hope y'all are staying safe. Yeah, it was crazy last night. Well, not so much here, because the severe and heavy stuff kind of missed us, luckily. So, but nonetheless, we about to get into this. 20 epic tornadoes caught on camera. Video is by Wave of Trend. If y'all want to go subscribe to them, go and fuck with them. I'll leave their links in the description, as well as the original video link. Without any further ado, man, let's get into this. And I'm stalling because I don't like severe weather, tornadoes, hurricanes, all of that, earthquakes. I don't like that stuff. It's like a big fear of mine. But we're gonna be reacting to some of my fears today, even including this video, because tornadoes I fear. But later we're gonna do like ghost videos. Maybe I'm gonna try to get some ghost reactions up to y'all. Yeah, but this intro has been way too damn long. Let me stop talking and let's get into the video. Oh my god, why are these people just dancing around it, bro? See, bro, people are out of their minds.
There goes that. Oh my god. Oh. Holy shit.
Like, bro, do y'all see what I'm saying? Like, why this is one of my fears, bro? They can literally rip you in half. And you can't control it. That's the main reason why I fear this shit. It's because I can't control it. Y'all, the camera fell. Let's get back into it. Bro, look at that, bro. Ridiculous. Bro, are you serious? Look at how big that is. And you still gonna drive towards it. You must be one of them Oklahoma people. It's crazy.
God, did you see that?
Bro, there was probably somebody living in that house too. Well, at least somebody in that building or whatever it was. Rest in peace, man. Because there ain't no way they're alive. I would like to think they're alive, but there ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Absolutely cursed!
And you're right next to it. As it's raging towards you. It's huge. Maybe you should get the fuck out of the way. Dumbass. At that point, all you can do is pray. Pray that your car doesn't get swept up into the air with the rest of the debris. At that point, you just gotta pray your fucking ass off. Literally. Because you don't know what's gonna happen. Crazy.
Oh my God! Back up! Oh no! Stop!
What the fuck is... What is going on? Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't do this fucking video, bro.
Oh shit! Farm right up here. No, please don't hit that farm. Holy.
I love how the music in the car perfectly like matches with the situation. That's hilarious.
Oh, two monsters!
What? That was two of them. You see what I'm saying? Like, bro, I'm scared of single tornadoes. Imagine a fucking... I don't even want to begin to imagine a two-headed tornado. I really don't. That's going to make my fear even worse. Thank God this video is almost over. Oh no. Oh man.
Oh my God.
Bruh. What the fuck? What?
Look at that town's getting hit. We'll drive up, Ricky. Yeah, drive up there.
Okay, well, I've thoroughly freaked myself out enough for right now. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I love y'all. 160 subscribers. We're growing and growing more and more every day. I appreciate every single one of y'all that have liked the video, left a comment, and that have, of course, subscribed. Yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here for now. I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all stay safe. And when there's a tornado coming straight at you, don't pull your phone out and record it. Get the fuck out of there. I don't know why I just rolled the out, but, you know, I'm out this bitch.